Please let us practice listening attentively. If you would like to read the script, we have provided the text in the description of the video. At a given time, thinking may appear limited. Awareness may be limitless. Concentration can lead to expansion, to meditation. Essentially, uneasiness is temporary, serenity is atemporal. When logical thinking grows, it usually becomes more heart-centered. One thought may result in scarcity, adding one heart may result in abundance. Sometimes, the intellect may be waiting for a future gratification. Meanwhile, feeling the love in its presence and sharings brings immediate rewards. On occasions, creating just through physical or mental action may be tiresome. Adding creating through vibration, through precious intentions, is often exponential. An inner dichotomy may have limited outcomes. An inner unity has unlimited possibilities. Clarity comes from the observation of the indivisible whole. From the confluence of complementaries and the understanding that, at existential level, nothing needed to be transcended. We are a representation of harmony. We are the immense spaciousness of appreciative and loving sharings. Frequently, the mental faculties may perceive separateness. Counting as well on the awareness that drives them, we may perceive connectedness. What we are, awareness, is immense. Awareness and existence are one and the same. Imbalance is impermanent, harmony is permanent. Harmony is always present, it is what prevails. If you found the content interesting, please press the like button, subscribe, and more importantly, share it. Thank you.